One of my first ever memories, just being a young lad, was me and my mum and my brother. We were in this really cold, dark, damp room with this itchy brown blanket around us, and we were sharing from a cold tin of spaghetti bolognese. And I just remember saying to myself, I want us to have a better life.
Wow.
One day, I want to be a multi-millionaire. And I've personally raised over £11 million in joint venture funding. I set up my own business, and within the first year, I'd made £1 million, and I bought my first property in Spain. However, now in 2026, it's definitely more of a buyer's market than a seller's market to every property deal. And you've always got to know, what is my worst case and how could I exit this in the future if things go against me?